America has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marshall County, Kentucky, northeastern Graves County, Kentucky, until 6:45 a.m. At 5:59 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles southeast of Lovelessville to near Mayfield to near Linville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Benton, Calvert City, Brewers, and Simpsonia. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 20 and 29. Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 29 and 51. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 a.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Graves and Marshall.